Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Science in Your Pocket. So recently we have received the kit from n8n. So you guys would be thinking what is n8n? So let me tell you quickly. So n8n is an AI workflow creation platform. So recently they have sent us the kit. So let's just unbox the kit and see what and all goodies are there. Oh wow, automate without limits. Nice. We have a note from n8n. So, hey creator, thank you so much for creating awesome YouTube videos about n8n. We really appreciate it. For your support, we are sending you some n8n goodies. We hope you'll enjoy them. Yes, of course. And maybe show them off in your next video. Got some exciting stuff coming up for YouTube creators. We'll be in touch. The n8n community. Moving on, let's just explore the features of n8n. So here we can see it is the flexible AI workflow automation for technical teams and also the speed of drag and drop. So here we have the great feature of drag and drop. So we can customize and create your own workflows using the AI workflow that we have here on the website. Similarly, we can also create workflow n8. So here we can plug into around 500 plus integrations, step agents, calling custom tools, chat with your own data, and self-host everything, including AI models. There are a few case studies, so you guys can explore the website and see what all features it has. So yeah, we can see it is secure, reliable, and collaborative. It is fully on-premise option and multiple other features. So moving on, would be wondering how did we got the kit. So yeah, here we have created the amazing playlist for n8n. So the n8n team have recognized our channel and hence they have sent us the cool, super cool kit. So yeah, you guys can also explore the playlist and get to know what and all we have. And we have multiple things that we have covered on our channel, that is multi-file RAG and AI agents for data analysis and different cool. Let me show you what and all we have in the kit. So we have this super cute stickers.
This cat from n8n. What is this? Okay, I think this might be the ring light, maybe. Let me check. Yeah.
So we have this light, nice. It's kind of a ring light also. Let me just check how to use it. Have this amazing microphone. I hope you guys can see. Oh wow, it's a Pocket Pro Mini wireless microphones for created. I think I really needed it. So let's see the features and all. So we have crystal clear audio quality. It's 20 to 65 feet wireless range, noise cancelling technology, easy button control. Oh nice, that's good. And the specifications are also mentioned here. So that's about the mic specifications, microphone one. Next we have this cool t-shirt from n8n. Nice, it's the quality is good. I'm gonna try that on. So yeah, that's about the goodies that we have received from n8n. So yeah, thank you so much n8n for sending the n8n kit. Definitely we are gonna try this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching.